I wanted you to be able to hear the birds in the background and all my chimes out here. And I wanted to show you some of my particular plantings that I've done. This cactus my sister gave me. It is old, and last year it had beautiful bright yellow flowers. I feel like I need to move it into a sunnier place because of the overhangs here. This suffered a little bit in the winter, so it's starting to grow all over again. I just ended up pruning this tree. It's got a weird branch, but hopefully that will come back. Kelly and Donovan, my son and daughter-in-law, gave me a gift certificate for Christmas to a local nursery, and look at this pencil cactus. Wow, it is fantastic. I love it. It's big, it's bad, it's bold. One of the other things I bought were these from my metal planter, which I think they look really good, but they're gonna have to come in the winter. Same with the big cactus. This was another fun little purchase I got there. And over here, this is another planter. I've had these for a couple years. They've rusted up nicely, and I've got some pretty plants going in here. I need to cut my grass that's in here. I think it's monkey grass. I've partially cut it so it's high, it's low. It's not doing, it doesn't look that sharp, so I need to trim that. My magnolias should be blooming pretty soon. I think our weather here in Virginia has been so funky that it's really, really hard to get the trees to try to stay steady enough to bloom. It's confused trees. I've got some pots over here. I just trimmed this one this last week, trying to shape that up. And oh yeah, I see a bloom up there. It's windy out here today, so this video might be a little bit hard to hear. This one I had bushes here. I left one bush in the corner. I like that bush, but I didn't want 5 of them. And so I've been setting some rocks in place, trying to build them up to look natural. And I put, I guess that's an agave. I'm not sure what the plant is. All I know is it's sharp. And then just took this one out of the ground and put it in this pot, which I think looks really good. Unfortunately, I've got a clean out here for plumbing, so I had to just try to cover it. I planted these 3 ferns. These are year-round ferns, and they always get really big. I love these year-round ferns. My sister gave me this cactus. I won't tell you what I call it, but just look at the shape. And then over here, I put a rock and buried it partially, and just trying to keep a nice clean look. Over on my seating area here, I bought the snake plant this year, which I'm not really that big of a fan, but they are very mid-century modern. I'm going to put some gravel in there, and next to it my favorite calla lily, which the color is magnificent, especially against this panel of, this is Copper Wire, is what it's called, by Sherwin-Williams. The other color I have here is Blue Peacock by Sherwin-Williams. I found these chairs at Home Goods. I always wish I could find 4. That would be nice to have the whole seating area in this teal color. My fern seems to be okay. I do get sun here. I probably need to move it. And a couple of the other plants I bought, I love these twisty, turny things. We'll see how they do. They'll get nice sun on this little table that I'm going to get rid of. And I had bought some horsetail, and it's in here, and I'm not sure if it's going to live or not. My plant in the corner, I just brought out from inside the house. And because of my cantilevered overhangs, I guess you call it. There's sun sometimes in the day, sometimes it's about half and half, I would say. So this is the look out here right now. I have the lights strung, which I really like. I've put sand into my fire pit, so if I get a rental here, or when I get a rental here for a party or for filming or production or whatever it's going to be, you can sit on the edge of the fire pit. So that gives me extra seating. Got a little seating area there. And I need to buy a pop-up sort of tent for shade that I can move around. So this is the look out here right now. I just love it out here. It's been a long, it's almost been 10 months since I moved here. When I moved in here, there was a lot of weeds. The previous owner did not like doing yard work. So it's been a lot of work and a lot of decisions. Hope you all enjoy this. If you have any questions, please ask below. And I will be doing a series on staging and design and giving away some free consultations, 15-minute consultations. Stay tuned for that. Please like and subscribe. Doesn't cost you a thing. Cheers. Happy weekend. Happy Mother's Day to the mothers out there.